With excitement from both adults and the next generation of firefighters yet to come, Plano Fire Station 5 reopened after a major renovation that nearly doubled its size. The expanded space adds a new ambulance, larger bays for hazmat equipment, and Plano's first private bedrooms for firefighters. New technology now wakes only the firefighters needed for a call, helping others rest longer during long shifts.
When you see the call volume increasing all the time, you see them getting up more frequently, that's a big deal whenever you have that ability.
The upgraded kitchen and workout area support wellness too, with a dining table built by the crew themselves.
There is no question at any time whether we are supported, whether you have a commitment to public safety. And you can look at this facility here today and tell that that's true.
By combining wellness, technology, and design, Station 5 ensures firefighters are rested, alert, and able to reach Plano residents faster when emergencies strike.